in the trapezium. A, B, C, D. AB is 5 centimeters, so this length here is 5 centimeters. AD is the square root of 5 centimeters, and CD is P centimeters. If the area is 7 root 10 centimeters squared, calculate the value of P given your answer in the form A root B minus C, where A, B and C are positive integers. So what we need to do in order to do this one, we need to know the area of a trapezium is that you add together the two parallel sides, you multiply by the perpendicular height and divide by 2. So putting that information, so A is 5 plus B, which is P, which we've got to find, times the vertical height, which is root 5. We have to divide that by 2, and we know that the answer is 7 root 10. Right, now we need to make P the subject, because we have to find the value of P. So first step, obviously dividing by 2 here, so we need to multiply both sides by 2. That will give me 5 plus P root 5 on this side. Then 2 times 7 is 14, so we're going to have 14 root 10 on this side. Next, we're going to divide by root 5, both sides by root 5. So this here on this side we'll have 5 plus P is equal to, and then we're just going to leave this as 14 root 10 over root 5. Now, from the rules of surds, we know that the square root of A divided by the square root of B is the same as doing the square root of A divided by B. So rewriting this out as 5 plus P is equal to 14, the square root of 10 divided by 5. And then 10 divided by 5 is 2. So we're going to have 5 plus P is equal to 14 times root 2. And then the final step will be to take 5 from both sides. So we take 5 from both sides, we're going to get P is equal to 14 root 2 minus 5, which is the correct format that we wanted. P is equal to A root B minus C. So A is 14, B is 2, and C is 5. So this has been a video to show you how to find the missing length of a trapezium using surds and being given the area. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.